Alright guys, I'm back again. And here we are at Knott's Berry Farm here in Los Angeles, California. And the train's about to arrive in, this is like a few minutes right here. And this is where it's gonna come from here, like something's right here. And that is the most scariest roller coaster I've ever on there. Like, I'm over it. Look at people screaming right there. It scares the crap out of them. Yeah, tomorrow's my 19th birthday. And tomorrow we're gonna be going to Dodger Stadium to take a tour. I'll definitely fill some elevators for that. Train should be here any minute now. Six right now. And it should be here any minute now. And right there's the merry-go-round.
Are the restaurants over here?
My phone's at 17%. I still got plenty of charge right here. Oh, I'm just doing a video of the train coming. The trains might be here. Yeah. And there's the roller coasters right here. There's that. And still not here yet. There should be a red signal. I definitely, it's gonna come like, it's gonna come, it comes in like a few minutes though.
Yeah, but not that soon. Let's go get a drink.
There's the signal lights right there.
The bumper cars, those are closed.
Should activate any minute now. Oh, there it go. Oh, there it goes. Now the train's coming. There's already red signal right there. I can hear it right now. The train horns, I'm over it. And there's my dad right there. It should be here. I'm over the train horns. And there it is right there. Yep, there it is. Hey! Wow, look at those good flowers right there. Denver and Rio Grande Western. 325 is the train car number. .326 is the train number as well. So this video is definitely going to go up on YouTube. All right then. The train's heading out of here now.
Oh, sorry.
And it's cleared. Well, sadly, the signals didn't go down because unless it's a railroad crossing, Union Pacific train. Alright, then. Alright, well, I think that'll be it for now. And once again, there's these are the roller coasters at this park right here. See you then.